911. Do you need police, fire, or medical?
I'm going to say the sheriff's department.
Okay. What's going on?
For Wynnewood.
Okay. What's the problem?
I got some gentleman just came on my exotic animal park, just walked right through here, and he's just flipping out on my park, and I don't need him getting in a cage.
Okay, you're at the GW Animal Park?
Yes, ma'am.
Somebody on GW Animal Park, there's some guy there that's
Make sure they're aware that I'm the manager, and I am carrying a gun, so.
You do have a gun?
Yes, I do.
The manager's there, and he has a gun. Well, don't use it.
Well, I won't, but if I feel threatened, I'm going to use it.
Okay. We've got somebody en route. What's your name? What's he look like? What's he wearing?
He's got a blanket drawn over him.
He's got a blanket drawn over him?
Yep. I have no idea who it is. He just says his name's Michael. Is any of them in the area close, or are they clear across the county?
Where's the closest? Who'd you just send on it? How far? He wants an ETA. Can we get an ETA? How much longer?
Damn.
About 15 minutes out.
Oh, my God. Okay.
They're hurrying.
I'll do what I can.
Is he still there?
He's here, but as soon as my guys come in, I'm going to have him dig him out of there and tackle him and hold him down.
Does he have any weapons?
I don't know. I have no idea. He just walked through my front office and went straight out the door like he knew what he was doing. I'm going to tell you right now on the phone, if he tries to get in a pen, I'm going to shoot him. I'm not putting this park at jeopardy because some nutwig. 15 minutes. Yeah, now he's yelling stuff.
He's yelling stuff now?
Yep.
What's he
Yeah, he's yelling Tigers Attack.
Tigers Attack?
That's what I figured. He's trying to flip out.
Tigers Attack! This is Michael! This is me! Tigers Attack!
That's what's going on. He's going to try and climb in the pen. I need him here. I need somebody here.
Okay, they're all en route, sir.
Oh, my God. Bobby, if you see David, tell him about the primary house, and I need him ASAP. I need as many of them as I can get right now. I got a nutcase on the park trying to kill himself. I don't know. Here he comes with the white guy. Dude, you need to stay. You need to stop right now. I swear to God, dude, I'll cap your ass.
Do it there, motherfucker.
You gotta sit your ass right there.
Do it there, motherfucker.
It's a white guy wearing an orange and white Hawaiian type shirt with gray sweatpants. He's headed through the park.
White guy, orange Hawaiian shirt, and gray sweats. What did you yell at? Orange Hawaiian shirt, gray sweats, white guy.
Dude, no! Look, he's trying to get in my cages. I'm telling you, I'm going to shoot his ass.
No, don't shoot him, sir.
I'm not letting him climb in a cage, lady.
Okay, I understand that you're frustrated, but the deputies are en route. They'll be there just as soon as they can get there.
He climbs in a cage, I'm in trouble with the USDA. Davey! Andre, hurry up! No, a guy! Tackle that motherfucker and put him on the ground. Get him! Where's everybody else at? Get him down and beat the shit out of him, Davey. Hurry! He's trying to climb in a cage. Lady, he's going to go in a cage.
He doesn't have weapons?
Nope, he's just running. He's barefooted. We'll run to the back of the park now.
Barefoot in the park.
I can't run and talk on this phone.
Okay, stay on the line with me.
I'm trying.
He's barefoot in the back of the park. He's running.
Make sure the officers know I got my gun drawn.
The manager has his gun drawn. The manager has his gun drawn. The suspect doesn't have any weapons, as the manager can see.
I'm in jeans and a brown Carhartt jacket.
The manager is in a black shirt, orange Hawaiian shirt, and gray sweats, barefoot. Now there's a foot chase. They're chasing him. They're trying to tackle him.
I'm going to try and get my guys to hold him down, but he's fighting.
Do they have him now?
I ain't caught up with him yet.
He doesn't know. He's not back there yet. He's hurt.
He took off running.
Which direction are they running?
Right now they're at the barn. They're at the barn right now.
They're at the barn right now.
Hit him, baby!
Which part of the entrance, sir?
We're walking back towards the front of the entrance. Tell him to come through the cafe. Ryan, go get me some help, man. I got to get this guy taken down. Just get him. The cops are on their way. Tell them to come through the cafe and come up through the sidewalk if they come. Davey, take him out, man. Take him out. He's on something. He's on something. Hey, you guys quit walking and get your ass down here and take this guy out. Get him! Go, Davey! Davey, hit him! Hit him, Davey! God damn it. Hell of a fight.
There's a big fight?
Yeah.
Good fight.
Take him out. Take him out. Bomb Go, get him, get him, get him, get him! We got him down, but they're still fighting. They're still fighting. He's on something. Get him! Get him there. It's taking 7 of us to hold him down.
It's taking 7 of them to hold him down.
Hold him down. Do not let him up. If he tries to get up, hit him again. Dude, this is what I've been doing when I couldn't get hold of nobody. All right, I got my gun holstered. They got him on the ground. Do not let him up. Do not.
Okay, did you hear that? He said his gun holstered.
My gun's holstered. We're on the sidewalk.
On the sidewalk. Next to the cafe?
Tell them come through the cafe and straight down the sidewalk. And I need them here ASAP. And they better have a couple boys with them.
Next to the cafe on the sidewalk. They need to have...
Oh, my God. Yeah, go get him something. Don't let him up. Do not let him up. I've been dealing with this for a while. If he gets up, knock him out. White gentleman, probably in his, I don't know, early 40s. All I know is Michael. Go get the cops. The cops are on their way. Make sure they know where we're at. Oh, I'm too old for this, lady.
Okay.
Oh, my God. They got all my cats upset. You're not going to get him tied up. Do not let go of him. Oh, Lord.
Holding down?
We got him held down right now, but he's got to be on something. Dude, it took 2 forces. It took 7 of us guys to get him down.
Hey, give me a fucking hand.
Don't you let him up.
Is he still fighting?
I need a radio. Go get Joe's handcuffs off of them. Tell Bobby to let his handcuffs off his gun belt. And a radio. Yeah, he's still resisting.
Okay. He's still resisting. They've got him down.